Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Kuya Matt. We love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Tra-la-la. Yay! We love you.
Happy birthday, Matt. Wish ko sa iyo, sana matapos mo na yung pag-aaral mo at kung ano man yung gusto mo maging trabaho, matupad mo, at 21 ka na, young adult ka na. Konti na lang, darating ka na rin sa punto na tatrabaho ka, sana pag-ibihan mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 21st birthday, Nak! As I always say, age comes with more freedom but will entail greater responsibility. Always seek God's guidance before you make decisions in life. Always love yourself so you can give love to others. Believe in yourself, and it's okay to have mistakes as long as you take it as a lesson. We are so proud of you because we can see that you grow up as a responsible and good man. Always enjoy life as life is short. Always trust God in everything that you do. Happy birthday, Nak! Love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Matt! Now you're 21 years old. Sana makatapos ka yung college mo. Tapos you're starting a business life. Sana hindi ka maginawa parang yung makasmoking, yung vape. Tapos sana parang maginawa yung business life para makamagaling yung hanap buhay mo. Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. We all love you and I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Matt! Happy birthday, 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 happy 21st birthday filled with accomplishment, love, and happiness. Happy birthday, Matt! God bless you!
Happy 21st birthday, Matthew. I'm happy that you're already 21 years old and you're doing good in your school and with your love life. Yan. So, I wish you more success and I hope you study well until you graduate.
Happy birthday, Matt! May God bless you always and your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Mat! Sana tapos ka sa pag-aaral. Tapusin mo na. Good health. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Matt. My birthday is to come po. Sana po gumraduate ka po agad.
Wow! Wow naman! Wow! Happy yan si Matt!
Hi Matt! May your 21st birthday be a celebration of a remarkable person you become and a bright future ahead. Cheers to 21st years of making a difference of this world. Have a happy birthday! Enjoy your day! God bless!
Wow! Yeah!
Birthday, Kuya Matt!
Happy birthday, Matt!
Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. I hope your wishes and dreams come true. And then, because I heard that you're turning 21 years old. So I hope you have a good job and you graduate too.
Hi, Kuya Matt. Happy birthday. We love you always. We love you, Dad. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Matt. Message ko sa'yo, pakabait ka palalo tsaka galing mo sa school.
Happy birthday, Matt. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay magpagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Matt!
Always enjoy learning at mag-ingat ka palagi. Huwag gagawa ng mga stupid stuff. Congrats! Claim mo yan, makagraduate ka din.
Happy birthday, Matt! So ayan, so kunting kembot na lang at gagraduate ka na. Enjoy learning dahil malapit na ang pagtatapos, pag-graduate. Siyempre, tulungan mo rin mami daddy mo. Para graduate ka, siyempre maghanap ng trabaho. And good luck sa inyo ni Bia. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mat!
Naalala ko, grabe, kasi hindi ito pa sila Castle at Castroy noon. Ngayon, 21 years old ka na. Wish ko na ipagpatuloy mo na maging mabait ka na bata at very responsible at saka yung sobrang studious. Sana ganoon din sila Castle paglaki nila. Proud kami sa iyo, Mat. We love you.
Okay, nasabi ko na lahat. Happy birthday again, Mat. Karoon ka sana ng more wisdom, be responsible. You're now getting to be a man now. So, magkaroon ka pa ng maraming wisdom para sa buhay mo. Sa darating pa marami pang pagsubok, pero andyan lang kami, lalo na sila mami at papa mo. Mag-guide pa rin pa sa iyo at mag-ask ka daw ng help. Happy birthday.
We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, love. I'm so proud of you kahit anong mangyari. Just know na lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa supportahan ko. And I can't wait to see how much of amazing person you are sa future. And, ayun, good luck sa future. Birthday!
Birthday, Ma!